QuickBooks versus Gusto versus ADP. Let's start with QuickBooks. So QuickBooks Payroll is an add-on payroll service by the makers of accounting software QuickBooks Online. It's designed to combine payroll processing with accounting, bookkeeping, and so the payroll expenses and tax liabilities can sync directly with your books. So first, let's talk about its pros and cons. It offers seamless accounting integrations, good for simpler setups or small teams. It offers us payroll speed and it has familiarity and stable ecosystem. But for the cons, it has limited HR and the benefits features is only payroll only focus. Now Gusto on the other hand. So for Gusto, it is an all-in-one payroll, plus HR, plus benefits, plus a contractor management platform. It can handle payroll, benefits, insurance, time tracking, and freelancer payments with more tools. So let's talk about the pros and cons. It offers a full-featured payroll plus an HR benefit. It is also user-friendly and has a modern interface and an ease of use. It offers flexibility and broader integration, but it's less ideal if you need deep accounting and bookkeeping. So next we have is ADP. ADP on the other hand, ADP Run is a payroll system under a broader ADP umbrella. It often is used by small to mid-sized businesses but comes with deeper HR, regulatory compliance tools, and can scale toward the larger or more complex organizations. So first, let's talk about its pros and cons. It offers a strong support for growth and scalability. It offers comprehensive payroll plus compliance with the HR modules. It is good for multi-state or complex regulatory situations, and it supports the enterprise-grade tools. For the cons though, it is less transparent and more variable pricing. It might be an overkill and more expensive for small teams. And it has a less all-in-one bookkeeping plus a payroll integration than QuickBooks Payroll. So overall, it's best for businesses expecting growth. So which one should you choose? Well, it depends. For many small businesses or freelancers, Gusto strikes the best balance of features. But if you care a lot about bookkeeping, accuracy, and integrating payroll with your financial ledger, then I recommend QuickBooks Intuit. But if your business is scaling and has complex payroll and benefits needs, then I deeply recommend ADP. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification